fullness of what it could bring to the practice beyond just the motivational, beyond that emotional mock-up that everybody is, so aware of. That's the teaser to get us into this. What the power of digital dentistry that DSD has is so far beyond that. What the goals I had set for this weekend, we have met everything that we came out to get. Can't say enough about how well he's listened and how well he's developing the company along the lines of what the users want and the patient experience.